Hi, I'm Lyndsey Matthews, Afar's gear editor, and I'm going to tell you about the essential things you need to bring on a cruise. Of course, we have a full packing list for a cruise online at afar.com, but these are the things that you definitely need, but you might forget to bring. So this small hook is one of the most important things you can use on any cruise, because did you know that most surfaces in a cruise cabin are magnetic? The walls are made out of metal. So these magnetic hooks that I got on Amazon save so much space because you can just clip it to any wall and then hook any items you have, whether it's your purse or packing cubes with hooks, to get everything up and off the ground to save as much space as possible. The other item I forgot to bring on my most recent cruise that I really wish I had was a reusable coffee cup, because in the buffet cafeteria area there was self-serve coffee every morning with reusable ceramic mugs, but I wish I had this so I could fill it up and then take it down to the lounge to read my book or out to the pool deck in the morning without having to carry a ceramic cup around. And this is from a brand called Purist, and it's just a 10-ounce coffee cup that keeps your coffee warmer for longer and it doesn't spill, which is the most important thing. The third item you definitely have to bring on a cruise is not just a pair of sunglasses, which is a little obvious, but polarized sunglasses. Because when you're out in the open water, especially in the Caribbean, the sun is super strong and it reflects off the ocean, and I didn't bring polarized sunglasses and my eyes hurt so bad after a day at the beach in the Turks and Caicos that I had to buy these on my cruise ship so my eyes didn't hurt the next day. The fourth must-have item to bring on a cruise ship is a packable or foldable tote bag, because once you're on the ship, whether you're going to the beach or the pool, you want something to throw your book, your sunglasses, your smaller items in that isn't exactly your full personal item that you brought on the plane. And so a tote, everyone has these. These fold up super small, but brands like Beck also make ones that are specifically packable and pack up even tighter than this one I have here. Because on cruises you're only unpacking once, don't pressure yourself to do carry-on only. This is such a great opportunity to pack your checked bag and bring a bigger suitcase, like this one from Monos. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like this video and follow Afar on YouTube. And of course, find our full cruise packing list at afar.com at the link below.